Good evening and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Josh Kenworthy.
And oh, hold on, wait a minute. We're just getting another call here from Matt. Matt, what do you got for us today?
Hello, Matty G here. Yeah, that sounds really good. Oh, sorry, didn't see that. So, Jordan, I have some more bad news for you. Yeah, on the airplane they had this contest and I won my own rice paddy farm. So, I might not be able to make it to Camp 4 since, you know, I'm a big businessman now. But we'll see. I'll try my best, okay? Sorry.
Maddie, you couldn't grow flaxseed if you were born in 1975 on the Oregon coast in mid-June.
What?
You never heard that one before?
No, that's a new one on me.
Oh.
Well, anyway, Matt, one thing that you should try is this Champ Grow stuff. One spray and it'll make anything grow bigger. Try it on your farm. I'm sure it'll work great. Just try not to get any of it in your eyes though, because actually, yeah, in his case, it might work out kind of well. Anyway, since there was hikes today, we don't have any sports to report. What we do have though is something that Matt is good at, and that is pranks. Let's take a look at some of this old footage from last year. I think you might enjoy it.
So this is Joey, and we're going to be competing to win the spoon game. So basically we put the spoon in our mouths, and then we try and hit each other on the head as hard as we can. You'll bend over, I'll hit you. I'll bend over. Alright. And when you give up, or I give up, the other person wins.
Okay.
Alright. And this height difference is just because there's a hill, by the way.
No, it isn't. Not at all.
Alright, so we're going to play the spoon game. It's a contest to see who can hit harder with a spoon in your mouth. Which one was my spoon?
Oh, too late now.
Oh man. Have a little modesty.
Modest is hottest, yeah.
Okay, go. Alright.
You good?
You bend over. Ready? Ready? Okay, you can go first. Okay, that was it? You bend over now. Alright, ready? Who hit harder?
He's always joking.
Okay.
Really hard. Hard as you can.
Oh man, no.
Alright,
Dave's turn.
bend up. Alright, ready?
Go on, Thomas.
Okay,
You missed.
okay. Aiden's turn.
Okay. Remember, it's all about the neck muscles. Alright? Cool. Okay, you go first.
It's kind of weak this time.
Hey dear! Hey! You wanna play a game? Come on! It's really easy! Hey! I'm talking to you! It's all neck muscles. You give up?
Not so hard.
It's all in the traps, you know?
Okay.
Really gentle, okay?
I'm done here.
So I win?
Sure.
Alright.
That hurt.
Are you okay?
How do you feel?
Sad.
Okay.
Oh, that was pretty good.
That sounded pretty good.
Okay.
Alright.
Aiden's turn to retaliate now.
Okay, it's starting to hurt my teeth.
Give up.
I give up.
I still don't think you're matching Aiden though, really.
Come on,
You gotta work the neck muscles, man.
Don't eat it.
Nice. Okay, let's do it.
Give up now!
That's how you win the spoon game.
Really just snap the neck muscle. That's what it's all about.
Give up?
You give up?
Come on.
I'm done. What is this game?
Are you kidding me?
Keep going until one of us gives up.
What's up, Jared? How do you do it? What's the
Well, you just kind of hook it down, go up, and
under your tongue or?
like that, and then go down.
Oh, that was good.
That's all you got, bro?
Alright, ready?
Try flicking your tongue. It kind of helps, like get you some extra torque. Like that's it's
Flicking?
yeah.
counteracting balance.
Yeah.
That don't make any sense.
You give up?
No!
You've been undefeated.
That's like the dumbest game I've ever played in my life. And it hurts.
I'm getting brain damage.
Don't give up.
AJ, give up. Give up. AJ, give up.
You'll never be Aiden.
Give
He's
up.
undefeated.
Come on.
You can't last as long as me, bro.
AJ, give up.
Just can't give up. Just can't give up. Him.
Hold up.
Maybe try with your lips. Like try to swing it with your lips, maybe. Like give it some torque.
Whoever gives up first loses.
Okay. No! No!
AJ, don't give up, bro. Come on, don't give up, AJ.
AJ,
You got
give up.
Okay, him hard!
It's
All
on
in
the
the
strap.
technique.
all how you snap it.
AJ,
Just bam.
quit.
I can't keep it in my mouth.
It's neck
AJ,
muscles,
quit.
AJ.
All
Look at, you see these things? You see these things?
It's neck muscles and technique.
technique,
Come
yeah.
on.
There you go.
Ready?
No! No! I can win! I can win! I can win!
I have no pain on my head right
I
now.
You know what? I got no pain either. What about, see this?
AJ,
This is
AJ, you're gonna hurt
Tell you, bro, you're team already.
no!
He's
No!
undefeated.
AJ.
You can't
Just-
beat me. You can't beat me.
Shall we call this one a draw, maybe?
A draw.
No way. Come on.
Draw, man.
Come on.
I'm not giving
No,
up.
you have to
Okay.
give, I'm not giving up.
I'm not giving up either.
Alright.
So we should just draw it now, because even if you crash my...
No.
Fall for it.
I'm not giving up.
Guys, come on. Josiah, don't do it.
He wants to do it.
All day, baby, all day.
AJ.
I didn't give up either.
Oh my goodness, this is so dumb.
All day!
Come on, AJ.
All day, every
Here we
day.
go, here we go.
Beat this kid.
How did you put your butt on that?
I don't know. I don't know. I hit a funny bone, like a butt bone or something. It stings a bit.
Butt bone.
Okay, go. Let's go. Shimon. I don't know how to do it.
Getting like slower and slower.
Bend down. You got
All day, baby. All day. All day. All day.
Aiden, just take it up to a new
You
level.
know how much milk I drink?
Just take it up.
I've been drinking 2% all my life, Aiden. 2% all my life.
I drink homogenized.